In today's video, I'm going to teach you use the help widget on their website or app, bottom right corner, and submit a form. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to include, and how to make sure your message gets to the right team quickly. First, make sure you have an active Deferit business account. Being signed in helps the system recognize you and pre-fill details, which speeds things up. If you're not signed in, do that first so your request links to the correct profile. Next, open their website or launch the app. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen for the help widget. It may appear as a chat bubble, a question mark, or a small help button. Click or tap it to open the support panel. From there, choose the option to submit a form or send a message to support. You'll typically be asked to pick a topic so your request can be routed properly. Select the category that best matches your issue. Now fill out the form. Use the full name on your Deferit account and the email address that's linked to it, so the team can verify your details and follow up. Add a short, clear subject line, then write a concise description of the issue or question. Include relevant information like dates, invoice, or reference numbers, and what you've already tried. If the widget allows attachments, upload screenshots or documents that support your request. Avoid sharing sensitive information, such as passwords or full payment details. Support will never need those. Before you submit, take a moment to proofread. Check that your contact email is correct, and make sure your description covers the who, what, when, and any error messages. Then submit the form. You should see a confirmation on screen and often receive a confirmation email as well. Keep that message for your records. If you prefer email, you can reach the support team using the official address listed on their website or in the app. Include the same essentials: your full name, the email linked to your account, a clear subject, and a detailed explanation. This is especially useful if you need to attach multiple files. If you're lodging a complaint, you can use the very same help widget form or the support email. Phone support isn't available, so stick to those channels for the fastest resolution. Finally, watch your inbox, including the spam or promotions folders, for replies. Respond within the same thread to keep everything together. Clear, complete details at the start help the team resolve your request in fewer back and forths. And that's how to use the help widget to